Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you are into high-end DIYs on a budget. Alright, let's get started. DIY number 1 is going to be a flower pot. And we're going to be using Dollar Tree flower pot and 2 ropes from Dollar Tree. And we're going to be hot gluing the rope around the flower pot. Hey lovelies, if you guys are into high-end DIY projects on a budget, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make weekly videos. And if you enjoy my content, be sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know so I can know what content you guys are into and like. And for all my new subscribers, thank you so much for being part of the family. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. Alright, so now that we're done wrapping the rope around the flower pot, we're going to be using Dollar Tree diamond wrap, and we're going to be making a pattern. We're going to skip 2 or 3 rows, and we're going to place those diamond wraps right onto the rope to make our design. Okay, so next we're going to be using these beautiful mirrored butterflies I got from Amazon, and we're going to be placing those onto the pot, and we're going to bling it out just a little bit by using some of the diamond wraps right in the center of the butterfly. Okay, I was trying to get some of the hot glue strings off the butterflies, but anyway, I decided to turn it over and use the other side instead. And the butterflies, they come with a little sticker so that you can apply it onto your project. Okay, so the only thing left to do is to put our flower foam into the pot, and we're going to choose the flowers that we want and add those flowers into our pot. And I'm going for a springy type vibe, so I'm going to be using spring-like flowers to put into it. Alright guys, so DIY number 1 is complete. As you can see, I went ahead and added the little blingies right in the center of the butterfly. And I added 2 butterflies instead of 1 to make it extra blingy. And I think it turned out so beautiful. And this is my spring theme for this year, but you could put any type of flowers that you like. And I have this flower pot on top of a tray that I had made in a previous video. And I'll put the link if you want to know how to make this tray in my description down below. So let me know what you guys think of our flower pot. I think it came out beautiful. For DIY number 2, we're making a little plant stand and little planters and butterflies. Alright, so we're going to start out by using these little planters from Dollar Tree, and we're going to use the color Ivory from Waverly to paint them. Once we finish painting those little planters, I also went ahead and painted a little bit on the inside so that the color doesn't show. And then we're going to be using this gold color. I got it from Walmart. And we're going to be painting the rim of these little planters, as you will see in the video. And once we finish painting them, we're going to be adding our rocks. These rocks, I got it from Walmart, but Dollar Tree carries the little white rocks, so you could add those in there as well. And I also have some of the succulent from Dollar Tree, and this is our little plant that we're going to be putting inside our little planters. Next, we're gonna be preparing our little stand, and I got this from Dollar Tree. And basically, we're just going to be painting it the white color by Waverly, and I'm gonna give it 2 coats. Okay, so this beautiful butterfly, it's like a lighted butterfly. I got it from Dollar Tree, and what we're gonna do with this is we're going to be painted. I can't talk today. Painted the gold color that I used previously in the video. I got that color from Walmart, and we're gonna paint all of the front, back, the entire thing. And then we're going to, once we do that, then the next step is to bling it out. And to bling it out, we're going to be using the Dollar Tree diamond wrap. Hey guys, I'm just checking in on you and see how you guys doing. I hope everybody's doing well and that you're staying safe and healthy and taking good care of yourself. So now we're going to place our butterfly and our little pots on the stand. I did change the bottom part of the butterfly, the outline. I outlined it a little bit differently, and you will see the change in the video. Okay, I think the new way looks a little bit better. Alright guys, so we're done with DIY number 2, our little butterfly and planter stand. And I think it turned out so beautiful. The butterfly, you can light it up also to give it a little cozy effect. Well, let me know what you guys think. And the wall art in the back, I had made this in a previous video, and I'll link the video down in the description box if you're interested in knowing how to make it. Alright, so for the big reveal on how I put everything together. Alright guys, I think these projects turn out so high-end looking and so beautiful. Please be sure and let me know which one was your favorite. I dimmed the lights a little bit so you could see the cozy effect of these little projects. It looks so beautiful. Well guys, thank you for watching the video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're into high-end budget-friendly DIYs, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.